Good morning, students. This lecture I am going to teach basic concepts in logic. First, what is a logic? Logic is nothing but a set of rules. It helps us to understand the mathematical statement. It is used to find whether the given mathematical argument is valid or not. It has many applications in computer science. It has application in digital circuits and verification of computer programs. Next, we see what is the definition of proposition. A proposition is a declarative sentence. It is a simple statement which can be either true or false, but not both. See, for example, I consider this sentence, India is a country. By reading this statement, I can say whether it is true or not. The given statement is true. So this is an example for proposition. 9 is a prime number. This is also an example for proposition. Now consider this statement, close the window. This is not a proposition. Why it is not a proposition? By reading this statement, we can't say whether the given statement is true or not. So this is not an example for proposition. Next is how to find the truth value of a given proposition. The truth value of the proposition is 1 if the proposition is true. The truth value of a proposition is 0 if the proposition is false. See, for example, I consider the proposition 2 is a prime number. The truth value of this proposition is 1 since the given statement is true. The next example, sun rises in the east. The truth value of this statement is also 1 since the given statement is true. Next is logical connectives. Whenever two propositions P and Q is given, we can combine the given two proposition and form a new proposition using the words and, are, not, if, then, if and only if. These words are called logical connectives. So whatever the new proposition obtained using the logical connectives is called the compound proposition. Next is the definition of negation. Whenever a proposition is given, if we insert a word not at the appropriate place in the given proposition is called the negation of the given proposition. If P is the proposition, then the negation of P is denoted by this symbol negation P. So for every logical connectives, we have to remember the rule. Rule for negation is if P is true, then negation P is false. If P is false, then negation P is true. See, this is the truth table for the logical connective negation. P is the proposition. Here the truth values for P is 0 and 1. So how we are defining negation P? Whenever P is 0, negation P is 1. Whenever P is 1, negation P is 0. Next logical connective, conjunction. A compound proposition obtained by combining two given proposition by inserting the word and is called the conjunction of the given propositions. The conjunction is denoted by this symbol P and Q. The rule for conjunction is P and Q is true only if P is true and Q is true, and all the other cases it is 0. See, this is the truth table for the conjunction. P and Q are the proposition. The possible assignment of truth values of P and Q are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then the conjunction of P and Q is given by this column. The rule is whenever P is true and Q is true, then P and Q is true. So this P is true, Q is true. So P and Q is true All the other cases it is 0. Next logical connective, disjunction. A compound proposition obtained by combining two given proposition by inserting the word or is called the disjunction of two given proposition. The disjunction of P and Q is denoted by P or Q. The rule for disjunction, P or Q is false only if P is false and Q is false, and all the other cases it is true. This is the truth table for the logical connective disjunction PQ. So these are the possible assignments of truth values for P and Q. The rule for P or Q is whenever P and Q both are false. So here false, then P or Q is false. Then all the other cases it is 1. Next logical connective, conditional. This is also called implication. A compound proposition obtained by combining two given proposition by inserting the word if and then at the appropriate place is called conditional. The conditional is denoted by P implies Q. So the rule for implication is P implies Q is false only if P is true and Q is false. So this is the truth table for P implies Q. So whenever P is true, Q is false, then P implies Q is false. All the other cases it is true. Biconditional. So consider two proposition P and Q. The conjunction of two conditional P implies Q and Q implies P is called biconditional. So the definition for biconditional is P biconditional Q is equal to P implies Q and Q implies P. So the truth table for biconditional is this. So this is P, this is Q. First you write what is P implies Q, then Q implies P, then P biconditional Q is, this is the truth table. So the next truth table is for all the logical connectives. P is given, Q is given. First one is conjunction of the two proposition P and Q. Second is disjunction of P and Q. This is conditional, P implies Q. This one is conditional, Q implies P. The last column is biconditional, P and Q. Next, we will solve simple problems using this logical connectives. So what's the first problem? Construct the truth table for the following compound proposition. See here, compound proposition is given. We need to construct the truth table. Here only two propositions are there, P and Q. So 4 possible assignment of truth value to P and Q we need to consider. Then we have to construct the truth table. P, Q, these are the possible assignments of truth values of P and Q. So what are the terms needed for the compound proposition? We need to form a column. So negation Q, negation Q. Negation Q definition we know. If Q is given, then we know how to write negation Q. So whenever Q is 0, negation Q is 1. Whenever Q is 1, negation Q is 0. So complete this column. Then the last column is P or negation Q. So I need to consider the column P column and negation Q. The rule for disjunction is this is false when both are false. So this column and this column, here this and this both are false. So this corresponding place false. All the other places true. So this is the truth table for the given compound proposition P or negation Q. So second problem also using two proposition P and Q. Third also same. Now I will consider the compound proposition with the 3 variables. That means 3 propositions. Consider this problem. We need to construct the truth table for the given compound proposition. Here three propositions are there, P, Q, R. So I need to consider truth table for this. So consider the columns P, Q, R. Since three propositions are there, there are 8 different possible assignments of truth values for the propositions P, Q, R. So these are the 8 different assignments of truth values to P, Q, R. Then whatever the terms needed for the compound proposition, we need to form a table. So the next column will be P implies Q. So that the definition of conditional, you know, P implies Q is false only if P is true and Q is 0. So I need to check these two columns, first two columns. So when P is true, Q is false, P implies Q is false. So similarly here, P is true, Q is false. So here false, then all the other places it is equal to 1. Then I want in this negation R. So by using the column R, find what is negation R. Next I want Q and negation R. So the definition for conjunction is when both are true, then Q and negation R is true. So I need to check the column Q and negation R. Q, this is the column Q, this is the column negation R. So this is the truth value for Q and negation R. Likewise find for P, R, R, then 1 implies 2. So here I consider this is 1, this is 2. So 1 implies 2 and 3 and 1 implies 2. So this is the truth table for the given compound proposition. So next problem also you can practice. So these are the basic concepts in logic.